Hi everyone, and welcome to my show. Today I'm going to do something a little different. I am actually going to do an unboxing of a gift that my sister sent me a little while ago. She is a representative for a company called Tropic over in England, and she sent me this because she knows how much I love beauty products. So I wanted to share it with you, what is in this pack. And so this is the Skincare Discovery Pack. And I'm not getting paid for this. This is just for fun. So I thought it'd be fun to share it with you guys. So, and isn't it beautiful? This pack is really nice. It's like a cotton, and I love cotton. That's my favorite material. So let's open it up and see. Oh, it's got a little logo there if you look closely. And a zip. It says Tropic. So let's see what's inside. And you have like a little instructions. So you got instructions. And we have a morning mist. Okay. And we have, ooh, bamboo cloth, face cloth. That sounds interesting. And we have Rainforest Dew Hydration Serum. Now, she gave me some hydration serum in my other pack, and it's amazing. I love it. And a soothing cleanser. And last but not least, Skin Feast. Cool, hey? Skin Feast Nourishing Moisturizer. Now, let's go through and see how they all works. So, Soothing Cleanser. This creamy cleanser melts away makeup and impurities with ease to leave skin feeling soft, springy, and hydrated. Massage a raspberry-sized amount onto a dry face and neck twice daily. If you're wearing makeup, rinse off with warm water and reapply for a second coat. Then soak your bamboo face cloth in warm water and use it gently to steam and exfoliate your skin, removing any excess product. Finish with a splash of cold water followed by the morning mist. Okay, so soothing cleanser. I'll be right back. So, I got some soothing cleanser. Oh, and it smells really nice. And it feels really nice. And this is the bamboo washcloth. Oh, and it feels so good. It's ever so soft. But a little bit sort of rough. Like that nice rough. Because you know it's cleaning you. Oh yeah, I like that. Very nice. Bamboo face cloth. So that was a little bit of this and the face cloth. Right, next we have Morning Mist. This refreshes infusion combines, I'll start again. This refreshing infusion combines nutritious plant milks and juices to shower your skin in a hydrating, soothing mist of antioxidants. Spritz onto freshly cleansed skin and follow with Rainforest Dew. Okay, so Morning Mist. Which is this one? So just spritz. Okay. I'm scared. Oh! I can smell cucumber. Avocado. Oh, that's probably what I can smell. Avocado, milk, aloe vera juice, and tiger grass extract. Oh, man. That actually feels really nice. Rainforest Dew. This dewy blend of botanicals deeply soothes and hydrates quenchy, thirsty skin. Oh my God, I can't read this morning. Morning Mist. I'm such a professional. Good job no one's paying me, hey? A dewy blend of botanicals deeply soothes and hydrates, quenching thirsty skin and giving your complexion a youthful bounce. Pat generously into cleansed and toned skin twice daily. Follow with Skin Feast. Okay, so this is the Rainforest Dew, which is this little guy. And I've got to do what? Pat gently into cleanse. Okay, pat gently. Oh yeah, because it's got like a little, see, it's got a little, I guess you put it on your fingers and then pat gently. You don't need a lot. So the water here in this place is gross. It's so hard, and it's really damaged my skin. So I've been using this Tropic stuff, and it's actually been helping a lot. I know I know oil painting, but it's not bad. Just kidding. Then we have Skin Feast, containing over 20 flowers, plants, seeds, and extracts. This organic daily moisturizer brightens, hydrates, and protects your complexion. Apply onto your face and neck, upward circular motions for instantly soft, hydrating skin. That's this guy. So I gotta do upward circular motions. I should have opened it. You can see it's new. So, ooh, it's a funny color. That probably tells you that it's natural, because I don't know if I'd want that color. If you're gonna put, if you wanna, I know what I mean. If you were gonna do fake, then you'd color it a different color, I think. But that's okay. So, neck. Oh yeah, I only put a tiny bit on, and that was enough. Oh yeah, that feels so good. Excuse my eyebrows. I have this thing where I pluck them without looking in the mirror. Apparently it's when I'm getting stressed. I don't know if anybody else has that. It's a stress thing. And I've been a little stressed lately. Oh, yes. Oh, my face is red now. So there you have it. That's the Tropic Skincare Discovery Kit. It's something that I think you must do twice a day. And I highly recommend it. It feels so good. My skin feels wonderful. I really like this dishcloth, face cloth. Like, it doesn't look much. I can't really show you just how soft it is, but it's like that soft but kind of exfoliate. You can tell there's a little bit of exfoliation in there, but it just feels so, and it hangs nice in your hand. Oh, it's so luxurious. So I highly recommend it. Thank you, Sharon, for my lovely gift, and I'm so enjoying. So if you want me to try anything else, just let me know. Anyway, thanks for sharing this with me. If you're interested in purchasing any of the Tropic items, please contact my sister. I will put a link in the comments or somewhere around. I'm not 100% sure where, because I'm still new to this. But she would absolutely love it if you would go and buy some of her stuff. It's a little pricey, I must admit. I warn you now. It's a little pricey, but you only need a small amount. So just remember that. Like, once you do the outlay, it's not so bad. And it's all natural materials, all natural products. And that's what I love. I love how, and you can get even, and even in here, that gives you, everything's shown, like all the ingredients are shown. All the information's there. And so I highly recommend it if you've got a few dollars or pounds to spend. Highly recommend the Tropic products. And also, thank you for coming. Please like and share. If you've got anybody who's interested in Tropic products, then reach out to my sister and she would be happy to help you. Thank you for coming, and I'll see you soon. Bye.